the strongest fishing knot known to mankind. Put the line through the eye of the hook. Now put the tag line through the eye of the hook again. Pull the tag line back 5 inches and maintain that loop near the top of the fishing hook. Now you're going to pinch that loop to hold it in place. Now you're going to wrap the tag line around the main line 5 times. Now you're going to take that tag line and put it through that loop that you pinched earlier. Wet your fishing line, hold the tag line, and pull the main line. Cut your tag. The trilene knot.